Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Stay Quirky. Yes, it is available on Purplle and Amazon. So these are the liquid mini lipsticks which I have purchased. Okay, you can see, and this is the outer packaging. This comes in two sizes. This is the mini one and the actual size. So the actual size is of 4.5 ml product quantity, and it is priced at 449 rupees. At discounts you might get it at 292 rupees. Okay, but these mini ones are priced at 235 rupees, and you get it at discount by 176 or 181 rupees. This comes with 2.8 ml of product quantity. Okay, and I think 2.8 ml of product is sufficient for a lipstick, because obviously you will have different shades available with you and you will not be able to finish off your lipstick soon. So having a mini one is good. Okay, now Stay Quirky is an Indian brand which was launched in the year 2017, and believe me, they have the reasonable and affordable products available, and in fact every day to day they have different offers going on, so you can grab it anytime, or if at all they are at their MRP rates, you can wait for 1 day or 2 days and then you can grab your product. Okay, so I will be providing the links in the description box below of this lipstick, so you can go and check it out. So let me tell you the texture of this liquid lipstick. It is as usual like a normal liquid lipstick, and but the only thing is it is not drying on your lips. There are few liquid lipsticks, when you apply it and after an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours you tend to feel too drying on your lips, and you feel that you have to remove it off, you feel uncomfortable. But with this lipsticks nothing such kind of thing happens, so I like that part in this lipstick. And one more thing what I have to mention is it has good staying power. It stays for almost 6 to 7 hours, and after that obviously you'll have to touch it up. And if you're having something oily, and if you're having a very light color which you have applied, then obviously you will have to retouch it after you have eaten something. If you have applied any light color shade and if you're eating something oily, you will have to touch it up really soon. And if you have a dark color on your lips, then you don't have to worry at all. So it's not going to go off or something like that. So let me quickly swatch it for you and apply it. Okay, so first I'll be going with the lighter shades. So first I'll be going with this nude color, then pink, and then red, and then the dark color. Okay, so as you can see, I have removed the lipstick what I was applying. So I will be applying it now. I'll be using the nude one. This is in the shade Haze Not Mine 10. Okay, it has a very cute applicator. Okay, this is the shade. Okay, okay, the next shade is Spicy Girl 14. This is the shade. Okay. Okay, the next shade is GF Goals 4. This is the one, the red. It's a beautiful red color. Okay, the next shade is Bombshell 2. This is the color. This is also a very pretty color. People who have habit of applying darker lipsticks can go for this one. In fact, the applicator makes it even more easier for you to apply the lipstick. Guys, if you're looking for an affordable liquid lipstick, then you can go for it. It has an amazing shade range and the pigmentation is very good, no matter if it is a darker shade or a lighter shade. So at this price, you getting this lipstick is amazing. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.